Hello and welcome to my home office slash studio where I make all my videos. So in this particular video I will give you a tour of my home office setup, so maybe you can draw some inspirations if you want, or just have a look at how the videos are created on this channel. I will walk you through all the various devices that I use, as well as furniture. And yes, this video is sponsored by FlexiSpot, who provided this E4 standing desk, motorized with dual motors. But the opinions are my own, because the product is just good, and the fact that the company is paying me to talk about it is just a bonus for me. But yeah, let me start with the desk, because it is the most important part of the setup, which makes my day-to-day work more comfortable and in turn more productive. This particular model is a 78-inch desk, 30 inches depth, which is very nice. As you can see, I'm using a TV, a 40-inch TV as a monitor, and I am absolutely fine standing or sitting at that distance. It is a bamboo desktop with black frame, but you can customize that. A lot of different options are available. It is solid wood, very nice, sturdy, and you can shake it, no problems at all. In standing or sitting position, this desk is very stable. And you know, the fact that it's standing on a carpet doesn't help, but yeah, if you're gonna put it on hardwood floor, then it's gonna be rock solid. Obviously you can adjust the height and just have a listen. It is so quiet. And this is actually the first time in my life when I used a standing desk. Previously I was always just at sitting desks, and it really changed my life, I must tell you, because sitting behind a desk all day long is pretty stressful for your back, for your butt, but alternating between the sitting and standing positions is just amazing. And you don't even have to remember it, because this desk right here, it comes with a reminder which you can set up. It will remind you to stand up or sit back down, whatever you want. And the timer just resets automatically. Overall, it is a very nice desk. I highly recommend it. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and I can't imagine my life without it now. If you want to upgrade your home office with this amazing piece of furniture, then check out FlexiSpot Spring Sale now to save up to $160 from 8th to 15th of March at the link in the description below. And now let's talk about the rest of the stuff that I have here helping me achieve my goals as a YouTuber. A nice big screen does help. I am actually very pleased with the fact that I am using a 40-inch 4K TV as a monitor. Some things could be better, but overall I am very pleased because it is just so easy to connect to my MacBook Air. It is an M1 MacBook Air. Just a base model, very nice. It does everything I need it to do. If you are looking for a Mac, it is cheap, it is reliable, and the performance is just out of this world. You are not gonna get this kind of battery life and performance in such a slim package on any Windows machine. None. It's just unrivaled. As you may have noticed, I don't have a mouse. Well, I do have a mouse, but I just don't use it because I just go like this. I have a pad here for the wrist, and I use the trackpad on my MacBook as a, you know, the control for the cursor, and I have this wireless keyboard here to do the typing. It is a very comfortable setup, well, at least for me. I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it. You know, trackpad is just so much more superior. As for the microphone, if you are listening to my voiceovers on most of my videos, I am using this right here. It's Audio-Technica AT2020 USB+. I've upgraded the cable. It And originally it comes with USB-A cable, but I upgraded it to USB-C to connect to my MacBook. It's a very nice setup right here. Actually, this arm is Elgato. I can't remember what it's called exactly, but I'll have a link and the name in the description below. It is a very cool arm, because I used to have one of those arms that is like, you know, very, very tall. I stopped that. I stopped getting those because this is just so much better. It takes up less space, it looks nice and clean, and you can just, boom, right there, start recording, then just put it away. Takes up much less space. As for the microphone I'm using right now to record this video, it is connected to my iPhone. By the way, this is iPhone 14 Pro Max footage right here, if you're interested. And I'm using Holyland Lark C1 wireless microphone to record the audio, and I'm super impressed with the quality of it. Very nice microphone, comes in a, you know, AirPods-like case with a lot of charge included inside the case, so you are never out of charge. And the quality is, as you can hear, is just amazing. And it does have noise cancelling if you are ever in a pinch where, you know, the noisy environment is messing up your recording. Then you can just, hold on, I'll show you. Press the yellow button and it will cancel all the noise. Of course, I also use AirPods. These are the second generation. They still work. I bought them in 2019. Battery is still, it's giving up, but it's still working, so I don't want to get the new ones until the battery dies. As soon as that happens, I'll get the new ones. I'm not sure which ones, but yeah. And as for the charging, currently I'm using this Qi charger right here. It's like a lamp slash charger. As to how I connect my MacBook to a monitor or a TV in this instance, is this AceFast A17 charger slash dongle. It's a 65 watt thing. This one's EU charger, but it does come in the US version as well. What I like about it most is that it provides 4K 60 Hz video connection, and it actually comes with the cable that, you know, provides the video link. So most cables, even the one included with the MacBook, is just for charge and data transfer. It will not carry video signal, but this one does. And the whole package costs just $50. Charger and the cable. If you look at Thunderbolt cables, some of those may cost like $30, $40, $50. And this one is a long one. Look, I've got plenty more left. I just tied it up so that doesn't get in the way. So it's a long cable. It's a very nice thing. And for those of you who are in need of a extender for your Wi-Fi network, I've made a mistake before. Don't get the regular extenders. Get yourself a mesh network. This particular one is TP-Link Deco, because the difference between mesh connection and just regular extenders is amazing. Regular extenders, they struggle to switch between, you know, different devices. If you move away further from your you know, extender, it won't switch. With mesh, it always does. It's built for it. It's what it's intended, designed for. And it's just one network. So you could have like 3 of these throughout the house and just move around the house. You never experience any bad connection because it just switches like that. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the tour. You know, give it a like if you did. And check out FlexiSpot desk at the link in the description below. They have plenty of options, not just this desk, but other desks as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.